Hello, Nomad Sculpt and quick select multiple objects. Okay, oops, I switched to the Nomad app. This are all primitives and that they are not validated, and this is when you use the insert tool or yes. And you have there a lot of, you can pick every primitive your own, like I do at the moment. But there's a faster way. You can take your pencil and draw along the squares like this. And only swipe with the pencil over the squares. And you can also do it in the other way, and you can use it for the height. Also draw along this and you hide the object in the scene. Yes. Let's test it. It works on the other side. It works not. Only this way. Okay, that's it. Have fun with sculpting. Ciao.